Next in our Google Drive series, we're going to look at one of the newer tools inside of our Google Drive called Google Workspace. So, what Google Workspace is good for is putting things that you need for a common activity together in a spot where you can access them all quickly. So, for example, I'm going to come to priority, and that's where my Google Workspace items are. Here are my workspaces. So I was working on a slideshow for Canvas, and so I have my slides, a Jamboard, and a form that I'm using for this activity that I'm still working on. And so by putting them in here together, I have quick access to them and I don't have to look through my drive for each of those items. Similarly, for my reflections, I have the form and I will have student work that's submitted saved in this section as I get them from the students so that I can find everything that I need quickly. So to create a workspace, again, I'm in the priority section. I can hit create and then name it for whatever my project is. So say I have a math project I'm working on. Instead of having to go to my math folder and then my Algebra 1 folder and access the materials from there, I can just quickly have them in this priority section. So I'm going to hit create, and then I can either add files from here right now. So go to my drive and then find the files that I want to use. Or as I'm creating the files, so here is the slideshow for that activity. I would right click or two finger click on a Chromebook and then add to workspace. And then the workspaces I have are listed. And so this is for my math project. So I'll just click math project. If you have another document that you need that goes with that also, I'm going to right click or two finger click on a Chromebook and go to workspace and go to math project. And then if I come back to priority, here's my math project in alphabetical order, CMR. And here are each of my items so that I can open them up or come over and edit them from right here. So a quick, easy way to create these is right here in the priority section. Once I'm finished with a project, for example, today is the last day I'm accepting reflections. So by the end of next week, I will be able to finish out all of my reflections work. And then I can just come up here to the three dots and remove it from my workspace because I won't be needing it any longer. And that's how to use the new